You want me to kiss you? Nanny. What? You want some affection? What? What? Nanny. Oh, he's looking at me. Are you awake? Ball moved. It's a moving ball, it's a moving ball, it's a moving ball. Oh my goodness. A lily. Cute little nose. Oh, look at that face. Oh, look at her. She's not adorable. Come here. Cute little dog. Oh. There we go. A cute doggy. Go over here. Toby's chewing up the raccoon! Holy cow! Did you see that? You just spit out the raccoon! Give me that raccoon. Watch him. And he jumps up and tries to get it. You gonna get it, Toby? You're gonna try to. What? You want it? Woo! He's too short. Oh, he's too short. You're too short, Toby. This is how far from the edge it is. And it's all the way down. He got it! Oh, he got it! Come here. Stop from both ends. Here's Toby. There you go. And now here's me dragging him around. Ha ha ha! And that's the end of the video. Toby, Lily, and the anonymous voice that keeps talking in the background. Thank you.